It's the only supercharged.
$10 o'clock, your first practice, right?
First ever go new car.
Yeah. You haven't driven it before?
About 10 laps.
Yeah, right. Okay, nice one.
Yeah. It's got the battery on charge, that's all. All my sponsors allow me to take their names off the car. 100 years since I buy it.
Yeah, okay. So are you ex-military or your grandfather? And was
12 years ago.
and was he in the Air Force, was he?
76 squadron.
76 Squadron.
Squadron he was in.
Right, so you've more or less named the car after him for that. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah.
Birthday on Thursday, so he would
Yeah.
have been 99 if he was still alive. So.
Yeah, oh, wonderful. All right. That's great.
Series engine, so 1653 cc's.
Yeah.
It does 9,500 revs. It's just over 200 horsepower.
Wow.
Yes, it's cool.
Little beast, man.
Really revs, like it really revs.
So what's the suspension and everything?
Well, it's historic, so it's still got the front struts and the rear independent rear end. It's been warmed, I think it is. We got one of the guys to do it, so it's been warmed up. How's it going? Sorry, I'm involved.
You're all right, man.
Guys to see what the engine is from Ford with our team. I feel it's up to about 680, 80%. When you want to give another burst, you can. It's up to you. I'll wobble my way right around the to build the car.
Wonderful. So have you driven here at Bathurst plenty of times?
Oh, maybe a lot, yes. I've been here a lot before.
Yeah, right.
I've driven my old car, which was identical, here in 2015. There's lots of footage of it on Facebook.
Yeah,
Let's start at the back. I think we started 39th or 40th or something at the back, and
Yeah.
Sunday morning, and drove to about 12th in 7 laps
Yeah.
through the field. So
And what's your best lap time?
around here in the old car, which is 2015, and this is now faster, we did, I think, 243 or 244.
Wow. Okay.
But this, I hope to go sub 240.
Okay. Great. Great.
236 through the chase.
Is it? Wow. Wow.
87.5 and 5th.
That's at 9,000 RPM, right?
87.5.
87.5. Wow. And So you've driven this car here?
Yeah, in 15.
In
That
15.
body shall not.
Oh,
This is brand new. The car's
okay.
only done 2 race meetings.
Okay, all right.
Sort of trial.
So whereabouts do you hail from? Are you
From Melbourne.
From Melbourne? Yeah.
So I'm David Brown. And
Oh, hello,
I started
David.
Brown Davis.
Brown Davis,
So
right.
there's all the motorsport, engineering and fabrication.
Sure.
This I do as my side.
And whereabouts are you located?
In Bayswater. And
Bayswater. Yeah. Okay.
Been there
Great.
for 43 years.
Wow. Okay. So obviously your grandfather started that, right?
No. My son now runs it. I'm technically retired, so I play racing cars.
Play racing cars. Okay. All right. That's wonderful.
You're right. My point is that he's running in the top 10. I'm not exactly sure where. It's interesting. A lot of people, even people who've watched racing a lot, you're not allowed to reverse a car in the pit lane. You actually have to be pushed.
Wow. Mistakes happen, right?
Yeah.
It's the only supercharged GTS in the field.
Right.
And you'll love the car in front of us if you're wearing that jacket. 'Cause
Yeah.
that's a GTF.
Yeah, all right. What's your name, mate?
James,
How are you, James? I'm Mark.
how you going, mate?
Good, thanks. Petrolhead Productions. Can you show us around?
I got just the person.
You have?
Give me 2 minutes.
All right,
Give
mate.
me 2 minutes.
No worries, thank you. Hello.
Team
How are you?
manager.
Hi, I'm Yvette. Nice
Hello,
to meet
Yvette.
you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Mark from Petrolhead Productions.
Cool.
Can you
Well-
just show us around your cars there?
Sure. This is Car 41, Team Virag Racing, away cup. HSB GTS.
Yeah?
In the car today is Tony Virag, John Bow, and Barry Sternberg.
Nice.
And yeah, if you want to just have a quick walk around on this side.
All right. Excellent. So it's supercharged?
You can charge with these.